I've been looking at a 3D printer for a long time. Then Bas said to me, Dilly, hold on, the Primeprint is coming. I said, when? And as soon as he said that, I said, just sign me up. I've used Dentsply Sirona products for many years. I started really when I started using the endodontic equipment. We do a lot of crowns and veneers at the practice, so we decided we need to move to the next level. So we got our first Omnicam, we got the Speedfire and the MCXL mill. The equipment has been amazing and the support has been excellent too. We haven't looked back since.
The Primeprint from Dentsply Sirona is going to save clinicians lots of valuable time. They're buying a full solution, fully automated, is a lab in the box. I'm so excited about it. The workflow of it is very easy.
I've looked at many different solutions, but with the Primeprint, I find it's the best solution for me. As opposed to an analog plaster model, the accuracy and precision is going to be greater. I can integrate it into my current system with the CEREC software, and it talks to each other, which makes my life easy, and I love an easy life.
Once Dr. Dilly decided to go for the Primeprint, I felt very happy. I thought like it's a fantastic decision, and it will take the business to the next level.
What I love about them the most is the control I have. I also love the turnaround I get. Instead of sending something to the lab that'll take 2 to 3 weeks to come back, I do it in a day. I start in the morning and I come back in the afternoon and it's done. And the patients love it. And that's why I'm so busy doing it.